All right guys, build update. A lot has happened, a lot to unpack, so we'll go through it. We've got the whole front section out like y'all seen before. We got the new towers welded in place. We did have a cross member connecting the towers, but that's off to powder coat. We got the axles roughly set in place. We got links into the subframe, link mounts on the axle housings, coilovers, everything kind of checked out. So that was all on this morning, but we just took all that off to get all the links and bracketry powder coated. Other than that, we've got the rear coilover towers in. We're working on the air bump stop brackets now to get welded on the frame. Playing around with track bar, drag link clearances for the front axle. The front axle's pushed roughly about 1 inch, so the clearance gets tight, but we think we'll be able to make it work, taking our TJ drop pitman arm and re-tapering it for a JK coming from the top. And then moving the track bar back a little bit on the axle housing. The rear, we've got those in. We went ahead and primed and painted some of it just because when they're welded in, you can't paint it for the rear, so we went ahead and did the top half of those. The axle truss is welded on, rear link mounts, rear coilover mounts are tacked on. Other than that, we've got Nemesis stuff delivered yesterday, so we're starting to get some of that mocked up. This is the new corners. So, you know, it's about a 4-inch stretch in the rear, so we'll just move this back. Nemesis did a great job on these corners. That'll recenter the wheel well about 4 inches back, and we'll just cut all that. Got a harness bar, got some PRP seats ordered. Got to put the front end back together. My Atlas transfer case is getting rebuilt right now, so lots of stuff all over the place, but hopefully we'll all get it soon, be able to just throw it back together and do some diagnostics and clearances and be sure everything checks out.